You know, there was this one night, she woke me up holding onto my face and she was like, "You are very noisy." At the time, my wife was pregnant lah. On my first snore, she will wake me up snoring. So the thing is, if I snore and then she cannot sleep and then she gets grumpy at the night and then everything else just snowballs in a day. I have a friend who passed me one and I, for the first time, slept like a pig. I swear, I've never slept so hard in my life. Really helps. Having a good night's sleep, like a really, really good night's sleep, really, really helps you through your day.